Okay, we're getting ready to mill this Flathead Model B, Model A block head. Yeah, it's a cast iron stock one. I was trying to figure out how to hold this thing down, so what I came up with, I'm going to use these bolts here with adjustable nuts and adjust my heights. And those are just laying here upside down. And I put these bolts through the spark plug holes that I'll hold down with strap clamps on the table. Just hold down against these, and that should be able to adjust the head for height and hold it down enough I can cut it, because there's no other way of holding this thing down. So I'm going to go ahead and try this and see how this is going to fly. Okay, I got this head all clamped down now. Real pain in the butt. Spent over an hour playing with this thing. So clamps are hard to figure out under here. So I got this clamp coming through the spark plug hole there, which pulls the head down against these standoffs I made. So this one here, we got a strap clamp going to a strap clamp, which pulls down where the spark plug is. This one over here, I can't put a clamp in there, so I had to use a washer, and the washer's pushing down on one side and nut on the other side holding it. So kind of a pain. This one over here, we did the double strap clamp, just like we did on the other side. We're just pushing on the corner of it there. And then this one here, I had the stud right here, so I just put a little pressure on that just to make sure it's good and solid. This is actually above the surface right here, it's not hitting on that. These stands are what it's hitting on. And I jacked the head around until I got it halfway closed. The head is really out of whack. Like in being not even close. So we got 5 right here on the dial. Turn the light off. So we're 5 right here, and you can see it goes right up to 10, and then it goes right back down to 5 again over here. So, and then it drops down to 5 on the other side. So we're going down further. So we're down to 4. So 3.5 to 4 down right there, because we were at 5, now we're at 1.5. It goes right back up to 5. But as you run this down the line, it drops right back down to 5. So the head's low in the middle. There's a 7th dial down right there. And then it comes back up to our standard point. Well, since I pulled this down with a clamp, this has changed. So now we're a little bit lower. So this side over here, we're up here about 1.5 down right now. This corner here is a lot lower than it was. I didn't like having this out here because it's way off from where that bolt is. So let's see how much this is really affecting us here. It must be quite a bit, I bet. Yeah. So as soon as I put any pressure at all there, it drops it. So I'm gonna leave it loose for now. Let's go over here and check this side. So as you put tension on it, it changes quite a bit. We got a bolt right here, so it shouldn't be moving it that much. There's a 5 there, but it was high before. Okay, so I'm going to play with these clamps a little bit on this end. Things have moved since I clamped it down. So I'm going to play with this a little bit more and see if we get a little bit closer. Okay, I'll readjust this a little bit, get a little closer. So now we're back at our 5 here. It goes up high right over there. Up to about 8 or 9. We're at 5 right here. It'll dip down as I go down here. Right now we're 3 down right there. Sweep across. Where's the dial at? There's the dial. Yeah, about 1.5. About 3 down again. So the head's low in the middle. It's higher right here. We just went up to 6, so we're thou up right here. And we're back down to 3, 2.5 there. So that's 3.5 thou variance between here and 90 degrees over. These bolts are all basically just lightly loose, these 4 here. If I touch one at all, it moves up a 1/2 thou to a thou. This head's pretty far out of whack. So this one here is high. You take the screw completely off, it drops a 1/4 thou. And see, then it goes right on up to high numbers there. Went off the side of the head. Anyway, we'll be back over here around 5 again, over on this side. Where's the dial at? There is the dial. Too much focus. There you go. So, you see we're really high right here. There's 9. So it's 4 up. 6.5 over there. So that's close. We're going to get this head. Alright, so I'm going to put my big cutter on here. We're going to make a 1 pass across this thing and go ahead and undo it. So, see how that works. I'll show you that when I get back to it.